Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this one's from Damned Designs. I've been waiting for this one to come for a while. It was a pre-order. I pre-ordered this back in June, and it finally came today. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to get into this one. Carry today has been the Kershaw Bare Knuckle. Just got this yesterday, and yeah, I'm liking that so far, but I can't wait to check this one out. It's about cut through the box. See if I can get this thing out. Yeah, check it out. Cool box. Got their logo right there. DamnedDesigns.com. Damned Designs. Get the focus. There we go. On the bottom, Damned Designs Wendigo. G10 handles, black, new. So yeah, this is the Wendigo model. And comes in a plastic bag. Let's check this stuff out. Nice, cool cleaning cloth. The logo and everything on it. Nice. Got a Damned Design sticker. Put that up there. Got another one. Wendigo. That's pretty cool. But yeah. Get to the knife. I don't know, really. I didn't write down none of the specs. We'll do some measurements and stuff, but it looks like a pretty chunky knife here. Get rid of that. So yeah, get rid of that. Yeah, that's pretty cool looking. Nice G10. It is a little chunky, a little hefty. Look at that deep carry pocket clip. That is really deep carry. I don't think it's going to cause too much of a problem. But yeah, nice pocket clip. Boy, I just like the G10 fit and finish. Seems really nice. Let's check this blade out. This is a Tanto blade, unlike any I've seen. Ooh. Oh yeah, check that stone wash finish out. Feels like a little thicker blade. Feels a little, don't feel too bad behind the edge. Definitely got a little bit to it. It's got quite a bit of oil. Let's wipe some of this off. But yeah, check it out. Like I said, awesome stone wash finish. Got their logo right there. Check the pivot out. Nice chamfered G10 scales. Got a filler tab that's done really nice. Check that out. So it is tip up, left or right hand carry pocket clip. You can see some milling on the end set liners, nested liners. Man, ergo's, wow. Fills my hand pretty good. It's really comfortable. I don't feel any hot spots. Wow. The action is just awesome. Check that out. Drop shutty. Almost all you gotta do is rotate the handle a little bit. Nice. Nice detent. Yeah, that's a beefy blade. Rides on ball bearing pivots, obviously, be that smooth. So yeah, it's a pretty heavy blade. Take some measurements. So 1, 2, 3. I think it says 3.5 inch blade. I get about 3.25 right to there. Half inch would be right about there. Got 1, 2, 3, 3.25 cutting edge. Handle from here to the back is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.75. Grip area 1, 2, 3, 3.75. Like I always say, I wear extra large size gloves. Plenty of room. Nice sharpening choil right here. It's not real deep. It's not really a finger choil, but I guess you could choke up. And jimping's nice on top. Check out the blade grinds. Yeah, this is definitely a good worker. It's got a pretty decent pointy tip on it. But yeah, well, this thing would be good scraper, slicer like that. Oh yeah, I'm digging it. But yeah, let's see how thick that blade stock is. Zero it out. I get 0.158, so almost 0.16. It is a little thicker than most of the knives I have. Yeah, this thing's a bruiser. Handle thickness, I get 0.54, so it's a little over half an inch. Got quite a bit of oil on it, wiping it off. Yeah, can you shake it out? Yeah, there's no way. Let's see how much this thing weighs. This is just an unboxing. I'll definitely come back with a full review on this knife. So I got 5.6 ounces. While I'm at it, I bought a new scale because I don't trust the scale. I think it's way off. Let's see what this says. 5.13, 5.6. Yeah, it's off. So this cheap Harbor Freight scale is going in the garbage, I think. I bought a new one, 15 bucks at Walmart. So a little chunky of a knife, 5.6. Take some better measurements here. So handle length, I got 4 7/8. Blade, right to there, I got 3 just a touch over 3 1/8. They're saying it's 3.5. That's way down here. So definitely over 3 inches. But yeah, do some size comparisons. Put up against the Kershaw bare knuckle. It's a little shorter than a bare knuckle. Put it up against the Ontario Rat Model 1. Shorter than the Rat 1. Let's try, how about the Civivi Brazen? They're pretty close. So, yeah, handle might be a little longer. But overall length, they're pretty close. So, you know what the Brazen is. You can figure that out. Definitely handle on the Wendigo's quite a bit thicker. Blade's quite a bit taller. Handle's taller. So yeah. What else should I show? I think, well, let's do the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Pivot to pivot. Blade. You can see the difference in the handle. Definitely handles longer on the PM2. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Nice deep carry pocket clip. The screws and the clip are recessed. It is reversible. Have this filler tab right there. It's machined around the end. But yeah, that's definitely a deep carry pocket clip for sure. Man, you know, it is heavy, but it doesn't feel too bad. Definitely, ergos are excellent on this thing. Oh, I didn't even mention the steel. It is 14C 28N steel. I like 1420 or 14C 28N. That is what the bare knuckle is also. But yeah, this was one of 4 models they came out with earlier this year, and I pre-ordered this one. I thought it was pretty wicked looking, beefy, sturdy. Absolutely, there's no blade play. Lockup is pretty early. But yeah, so I ordered this. It was $45 on a pre-order, and it said approximate ship date was the end of October, and it's early October. I got the notification that it shipped. The shipping tracking was screwed up because it said item received, awaiting acceptance. Well, as of last night, it was still the same status. I put in a where's my mail, thing on the USPS site, and there was no tracking updates until it said it was out for delivery today. And then for some reason, my mail didn't come until 3 p.m. It usually comes at about 10:30 in the morning, unless it's on a Monday, then it's a little bit later. But yeah, the Damned Designs Wendigo. Yeah, I'm digging this. Like I said, just quick unboxing, first looks. Right off the bat, it's a beefy knife. I like how it feels in hand. It's definitely a working knife. I wouldn't expect it to be super slicey. Let's see if it is sharp. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. So I don't have any cardboard in here to try to slice through, but yeah, this is definitely a worker. I think you can, even though it's on bearings, you could do some heavy duty work with this. So yeah, stay tuned for the review video. Check the grind out here. That's got a little belly to it. It's flat grind here, flat grind up here on the tanto tip. But yeah, there's a little belly right there. It's not straight. So I don't know if I can line it up on a. Yeah, you can see. Yep, there's a little belly to it. But yeah, how tall is the blade? I'm winging this. Like I said, I have no dimensions or anything written down. Blade height is 1.214 I got. Handle right here in the widest spot, about 1.213. Back here it's 1.11. Closed. Try to find the widest spot, maybe right about here. I get 1.35. Just for comparison, it's definitely lower profile than the PM2. But yeah, just a quick unboxing. Like I said, stay tuned for updates on this one, because yeah, I'm digging this one. 45 bucks is what I paid. I don't know if they're going to be on sale at dealers or on their website. It said pre-order was sold out, so I don't know. Usually pre-orders a little bit cheaper than regular orders, but yeah, 45, 55 bucks for this. You're getting a lot of knife. I'm digging that stone wash blade. It's a dark stone wash. 14C28N steel, I like. Damn near drop shutty. Action's good. Deep carry pocket clip. Got a G10 backspacer here. Got a lanyard hole there. Filler tab for the pocket clip. Also looking pivot. What size is that? That is an 8. That is an 8. And a filler tab. Are you kidding me? The pocket clip screws are T8s. That's the only body screws you got. It's back here, the two end ones. But yeah, stainless steel liners, skeletonized, liner lock, ball bearing pivot. I can see the bearings in there. I don't know if I can shine a light so you can see. Yeah, I can see them. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not. Down in there. But yeah, lockup's pretty early, but it is solid. I wouldn't worry about that. I'll probably break in. But yeah, that's it. Cut this thing off now. You like this video, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments if you got one of their new releases, if you pre-ordered it, and especially if you got this one, the Wendigo. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.